This was, without a doubt,
the absolute worst purchase we have made since we got the RV.
when we were in Cottonwood, Arizona, we had gotten completely tired of the original recliners that came with this rig. They were doing what I'm sure many of you know happens. They were flaking. They were falling apart, essentially. The pleather was basically peeling off of it.
How many times did we replace that pull thing to pull the recliner?
Oh my God. Back? And that was the one that had they had the like wire here that you had to pull up to recline them. And yeah, I think 3 times I had to replace those. It got to the point where, you know, I've talked about in the past how I keep an extra sail switch and an extra vacuum breaker I was keeping extra poles for the recliners. So we made the decision that we were going to replace them.
And we had seen these smaller recliners in RVs when we had looked at RVs. When we first looked at these RVs, we saw, when we were getting the second one, we saw those types of recliners in new RVs. And they looked comfortable, they looked nice, and they looked like they didn't take up as much room as the whole console thing that we had with the set that we had with the console in it.
Yeah, you know, it had the heated seat and the vibration. Yeah.
Which was pretty useless.
And it had the USB ports, which stopped working about maybe 3 days after we got this rig.
Yeah.
But all in all, having looked at these, having seen them, having touched them, we were pretty sure that that's what we wanted to go with. So we did what we thought was the right thing. Rather than go right on Amazon and just buy them and have them shipped to us, we
ordered them from a local RV dealer.
Yeah, in Cottonwood. Now, in no way, shape, or form do I want to say that I'm going to put any of this on the RV dealer.
No.
Okay, they were nice guys. They were good people. But we ordered these recliners, and we got them.
And of course, there was some assembly required.
And I did the assembly, and we started using them. And immediately, we realized, hey, they're comfortable and all, but you can't really recline all the way back with them.
Yeah, we were pushing and trying to figure out if there's another lever, or is there something we're missing? Did we put it together wrong?
Now, bear in mind, these things came with 0 instructions.
0. Yeah.
It was basically, we had one piece of paper that was a graphic on how to put this thing together, and the graphic wasn't even good.
But they were okay. They were pretty comfortable when we first got them. But over time...
And not a lot of time.
No.
Because, just to remind everybody, we were in Cottonwood in 2024 in the summer.
Yeah. So, a little less than 2 years we had them.
Yeah.
And we knew they were a kind of a cream color, and there was the danger of them being looking dingy after a while, but we had the little head covers with the bears on them, and trying to do our best to, you know, keep them looking as nice as we could.
Yeah, and we vacuumed them off with the hair from these guys.
They just, as time went by, they got more and more uncomfortable. Not to mention, they kept falling apart.
Literally kept falling apart.
Like the seat part, the bottom that was on the floor was a round frame.
Yeah.
Because they were...
They swiveled.
You could swivel them. Even though we didn't have a lot of room to swivel them, we could at least move them a little bit. But they would come, the screws would just run out of them. And we'd find screws and go, oh no, where did it come from? Or sit down in the chair and it would slide off of the base. Yeah. Not good construction.
Then about 6 months ago, I'm sitting here in one of those chairs, and I kind of adjusted myself in the chair.
Kind of stretching or something.
Stretching and, just pushing back. All of a sudden, the thing's going back.
They did recline.
We just had no realization or instruction on how to release them.
And you had to push them so hard.
Oh, yeah.
You had to get your foot on the foot part and push with your feet and your hands.
Oh, yeah, you had to put your whole body into it.
It's supposed to be a relaxing situation, but
right.
Was more like exercise.
It was almost stressful. But, hey, we found out that they do recline, and that was a big thing, a happy thing for us. And I can compare it to Skechers sneakers. Okay, I recently, not too long ago, stopped wearing anything that's got Skechers sneakers on it because they're little memory foam soles. Yeah, when you out of the box, you put them on. Oh my God, it's like walking on a cloud. And then in about a week, it's flat and you're walking on the ground.
It had memory problems.
Yeah.
I couldn't remember what it was supposed to do.
That's what was happening to these recliners. The cushions were just going flat and not recovering.
When you stand up, it would still stay in the shape it was when you were sitting in it.
Okay, I'm fat, but I'm not that fat. Okay?
And these weren't cheap chairs either.
No.
No,
these things cost just under $1,200 when we bought them for the pair. We're talking about something we spent almost $1,200 on. Bought them in a way that we thought was right. And they turned out to be trash. Little side note, when I tossed them out of the door here, there's still a screw laying out there that fell out.
One of them just went, it just totally disintegrated.
It kind of fell apart. Yeah. I mean, we were traveling from Tucson to Pueblo, Colorado, and our first overnight stop, I went to sit in my chair, and the chair fell apart because like 4 screws had completely backed out just in that little bit of traveling.
Yeah.
So yeah, they have gone the way of the dumpster.
Yeah. We wouldn't even try to see if anybody wanted them, because a lot of times when we get rid of something or we replace something, if it's still workable, we'll either put it in the community room or something. Or
you guys might remember the table, the little table that we had in between the two of them. That is currently in my friend's trailer across the street from us.
Yeah, we try to give them to people that can use them. So.
And okay, yeah, these don't have a drink holder. I've got a drink holder now. They don't have a place for me to put the remote. I've got one of those. I don't need any of that. I certainly don't need heat and massage. Bottom line is, these recliners, from what I can tell, first of all, the only thing we had to do was put the back on. Oh, yeah. There's not even any tools needed.
Cool.
It's going to slide in and lock.
Awesome. Do you need any help with that?
I don't. At the moment, anyway. Well, I might, yeah. Okay, I got mine on.
I can't see them. Okay.
Okay. Locked.
Ta-da. Yeah, they just
pop
right in.
No tools, no nothing. Actually, I'll leave a link down in the description on where you, too, can purchase these chairs.
Now, keep in mind, we just got them last week, so
right.
So far, so good.
Right. Okay.
Your mileage may vary.
This is not a review.
We're not being compensated for this.
Okay, we are not being compensated for this. But these chairs are comfortable as hell. They really are. I mean, this is the first chairs that we had in this rig. When we first sat in them, wonderful. Mm-hmm. This is better, even.
They seem to be sturdy. They're well padded. They're well put together. So far, no complaints.
Yeah. And also, our cats haven't gotten to them yet.
Yeah.
I'm almost scared to leave Cindy alone with the cats, because if they start scratching on this, I may come home to the cats sitting outside, strung up. But yeah, we've got new recliners.
We love them.
Absolutely love them.
I'm short. My feet don't even touch the floor.
Until next week, I'm Felix.
I'm Cindy.
We are the Roaming Gomes. Stay safe out there.